Creating your own scrub can be easy and fun. Sugar is tasty, but its best use is for cleaning our skin. Sugar is a natural source of an alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA, known as glycolic acid. In creating this scrub, I used a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. Alternate oils that you could use are almond oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil. Vitamin E oil contains antioxidants and helps to protect your skin. Lavender and chamomile essential oils were chosen for this mixture because they are calming and healing. Lavender oil can help to lighten the skin, reduce wrinkles, lessen acne. Lavender is also good for healing scar tissue. Chamomile's healing properties help the skin to regenerate. They tighten pores, slow down aging effects of the skin. It can lighten the skin, calm blemishes and redness. It's antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal. The tablespoon of honey that I used was local honey. It's unpasteurized, it's raw, and starting to crystallize. Using local honey in your food, drink, or on your skin is much healthier for you. Local honey contains local allergens, and this will help you over time to build up resistance to them. This healing, calming scrub can actually last for months unrefrigerated if you keep it in its jar and dry. Remember that scrubs exfoliate the skin, so you're removing the top layer, and you need to protect your skin when you go outside. If you use your scrub in the shower, you are going to create a very slippery tub. So it's okay to use it in the shower and clean your skin. But I recommend bringing dish soap into the shower as well. And this little very efficient scrubby. This is an EUROSCRUBBY. I do not sell them. I do not have shares in the company. I'm just letting you know this is pretty amazing. So if you put a little dish soap onto the scrubby, and then you can scrub down the tub and then just rinse it down, you're going to remove everything that's slippery. I also will put a little soap on this and put this on the bottom of the tub, and then just using my foot can rub back and forth, and switching feet, I can cover the bottom of the tub and then rinse that out so easily, and then you are not creating a possibly dangerous environment, and you are clean, and so is your tub.